Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma laid the foundation stone for the Organic Spice Industrial Unit in Umsli, Poirimbong yesterday. The 16 crore project aimed at enhancing agricultural infrastructure was attended by key officials including Umroi MLA and Rebhoi District Deputy Commissioner. Sangma announced a 15 crore government contribution with 12 crore from the state and the rest through bank loans. The unit will improve market access for local produce and support regional farmers.
Steering point.
We're very happy that to put up this particular unit, we are mobilizing 15 crores of support, financial support from the government side. Out of that, about 12 crores will be in terms of the amount that the government is giving and the different incentives that we give. And about 2 to 3 crores will be through a loan component that will come from the bank. And therefore about 15 crores the state government will mobilize through different sources to fund this particular project.